Alex, can you come here for a moment? I think Emma is unwell.
What happened? She was playing in the living room a while ago.
I touched her forehead, and it feels very hot.
Let me check. Oh, you're right. She definitely has a fever.
She also looks very tired. She hasn't even touched her dinner.
That's unusual for her. She's normally so energetic in the evening.
I'm getting worried because she keeps lying down and closing her eyes.
Don't panic yet. I'll bring the thermometer.
Please hurry. I really hope it's just a mild fever.
Okay, it says 102 degrees. That's pretty high.
Oh no! Maybe we should take her to the hospital right away.
Yes, I think that would be safer. We shouldn't wait too long.
I'll get her jacket and prepare a small bag.
I'll bring the car keys and start the car.
I packed some water, tissues, and an extra sweater for her.
Good thinking. Hospitals can get cold, especially at night.
She looks weak. I don't like seeing her like this.
I know. It's difficult for both of us, but we need to stay calm.
I keep thinking maybe she got sick at school today.
That's possible. Children can catch viruses very easily.
Do you think the fever will get worse?
I hope not. But the doctor will know exactly what to do.
I locked the windows and turned off the kitchen lights.
Great. Let's leave now before the traffic gets heavier.
She looks so uncomfortable.
I know. I'm driving as fast as I safely can.
I just want us to reach the hospital quickly.
We're only 10 minutes away now.
I hate seeing her this weak and quiet.
Fever can make children feel exhausted.
Earlier today, she was laughing and running around the house.
Sometimes sickness comes very suddenly.
I feel guilty for not noticing the signs sooner.
Jane, please don't blame yourself. You noticed the fever and acted immediately.
I'm trying to stay calm, but I'm still nervous.
Everything will be okay. The doctors will take good care of her.
I really hope they can give her medicine quickly.
We're almost there. Just hold on a little longer.
Good evening. How may I help you today?
Good evening. Our daughter has a high fever and feels very weak.
I understand. Please fill out this registration form first.
Is there any chance the doctor can see her quickly? She doesn't look well at all.
Yes, I'll inform the nurse immediately.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
Hospitals always make me nervous, especially when it involves children.
Try not to worry too much. We're in the right place now.
Please take a seat over there. The nurse will call your name soon.
Thank you very much.
I'll finish the paperwork while you stay beside her.
All right, I just want her to feel comfortable.
The doctor will check her very soon.
Hello, I'm going to check her temperature and blood pressure. Of course. She has been feeling weak since the afternoon. Her temperature is still high. Has she had any cough or cold symptoms? Yes. She started coughing a little earlier today. Has she eaten anything since evening? Only a few bites of food. She didn't want to eat much. All right. The doctor will probably ask a few more questions.
Do you think it's serious?
At the moment, it looks like a common viral infection, but the doctor will confirm that. Hearing that makes me feel a little better. Try not to worry too much. Children recover quickly most of the time.
Thank you for being kind and patient with us.
You're welcome. The doctor will see you in just a few minutes.
Good evening. I'm Dr. Hassan. Tell me what happened today.
Our daughter developed a high fever a few hours ago.
She also became very tired and didn't want to eat dinner.
I see. Did she complain about pain anywhere?
Not really, mostly weakness and dizziness.
Let me examine her for a moment.
Of course, doctor.
Her breathing sounds normal, and her throat is slightly red.
Is it something serious?
No, it appears to be a viral infection.
Thank goodness. We were very worried on the way here.
I understand. High fevers in children can be frightening for parents.
What should we do now?
I'll prescribe fever medicine, and she needs plenty of rest and fluids.
Does she need to stay in the hospital tonight?
No, she can go home, but monitor her temperature carefully.
Thank you, doctor. We really appreciate your help.
I feel relaxed after speaking with the doctor.
Me too. I'll go to the pharmacy downstairs and get the medicine now.
All right, I'll stay here with her until you return.
Do you need anything while I'm gone?
Maybe a bottle of water if you can get one.
Sure, I'll bring it.
Thank you.
She already looks a little calmer than before.
Yes, maybe because she's finally resting.
I'll be back in a few minutes.
Okay, be careful.
Good evening. I need to get these medicines for my daughter. The doctor just prescribed them.
Of course, sir. Let me take a look at the prescription.
Thank you. She has had a high fever since this afternoon.
I understand. The doctor prescribed fever medicine and cough syrup. I'll prepare them for you right away.
How often should I give her the fever medicine?
Give her 1 dose every 6 hours if the fever stays high. Make sure she takes it after eating a little food.
All right. Is there anything else we should do at home?
Yes, encourage her to drink plenty of water. And let her rest as much as possible.
The doctor also mentioned monitoring her temperature carefully.
That's correct. If the fever becomes very high or doesn't improve within 2 days, you should visit the doctor again.
I understand. Hopefully she feels better by tomorrow.
Most children recover quickly with rest and proper medicine. Try not to worry too much.
Thank you. It's been a stressful evening for us.
I can imagine. Parents always worrying when their children get sick.
That's true. My wife is waiting upstairs with our daughter right now.
Here are the medicines and the dosage instructions. I also wrote the timings clearly on the boxes.
Perfect. Thank you for your help and kindness.
You're very welcome, sir. I hope your daughter feels better soon.
Thank you. Have a good night.
You too. Take care.
We're finally home. That was a long evening.
Yes, but I'm relieved the doctor said it wasn't serious.
I placed the medicine and thermometer on the table beside the bed.
Good, I'll check her temperature again in an hour.
Do you want me to make some warm tea for you?
That would be nice. I'm exhausted.
You've been worried all evening.
Any mother would feel the same way. Seeing your child sick is heartbreaking.
I know, but you handled everything very well tonight.
Thanks. I'm just glad we took her to the hospital quickly.
Hopefully after some rest and medicine, she'll feel much better tomorrow.
I hope so too. I'll stay beside her tonight just in case she wakes up. If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.